Have you ever wondered about the different types of trading styles? There's a whole world of strategies out there, each with its own unique set of rules and approaches. Today, we'll dive into this fascinating universe and explore 4 of the most popular trading styles: intraday, swing, short-term, and long-term trading. First up, intraday trading. This style is all about speed and agility. Intraday traders, sometimes known as day traders, buy and sell securities within a single day. They aim to profit from small price fluctuations that occur during the daily trading session. The key here is timing. Intraday traders need to stay on top of the market, constantly monitoring price movements to seize opportunities as they arise. But beware, this trading style can be a high-stakes game. It requires sharp skills, quick decision-making, and a keen understanding of market dynamics. Swing trading, on the other hand, is a bit more laid back. Swing traders hold on to securities for a few days to a few weeks, aiming to catch short to medium-term price movements. They focus on trends and patterns in the market, using technical analysis to predict price changes. Unlike intraday trading, swing trading doesn't require constant monitoring, but it does require patience and a good understanding of market trends. Next, we have short-term trading. This style sits somewhere between swing trading and long-term trading. Short-term traders hold on to securities for a few weeks to a few months. They aim to profit from medium-term price movements and trends. It's a more relaxed approach than intraday or swing trading, but still requires a solid grasp of market dynamics. Last but not least, we have long-term trading. This is the marathon of trading styles. Long-term traders, often referred to as position traders, hold on to securities for several months to years. They're less concerned with short-term price fluctuations and more focused on long-term trends and company fundamentals. It's a slow and steady approach that requires patience, in-depth research, and a long-term perspective. So there you have it, a quick tour of the 4 major trading styles. Intraday trading with its fast-paced, high-stakes nature, swing trading focusing on short to medium-term trends, short-term trading, a middle ground between swing and long-term trading, and long-term trading, the slow and steady marathon runner of the trading world. Each style has its own unique approach, advantages, and challenges. It's up to you to decide which one suits your personality, risk tolerance, and investment goals the best. Remember, understanding these trading styles is just the first step. Mastering them takes time, practice, and a whole lot of patience.